Today we're taking a super close look at Pink Echinacea, one of the coolest and toughest flowers you can grow. It's bright, it's bold, and it's basically the superhero of the garden. Let's zoom in and learn all about where it comes from, how to take care of it, and some fun facts you can share with your friends. Pink Echinacea, also called coneflower, comes from North America. That means it's been growing wild here long before people built towns or roads. Native Americans used echinacea for medicine, and today it's still famous for helping support the immune system. So, yes, this flower has been popular for hundreds of years. Now, let's talk grow zones. Pink echinacea grows best in USDA zones 3 through 9. If you're wondering what that means, think of grow zones like temperature neighborhoods. Zone 3 is super cold and Zone 9 is pretty warm. Echinacea can handle almost all of them, which makes it a very easy plant for beginners. Now let's talk about deadheading, which is just a fancy word for removing old flowers. When a bloom turns brown and crunchy, you snip it off. This helps the plant make new flowers instead of wasting energy on old ones. It's kind of like cleaning your room so you have space for new toys. But here's a tip. If you leave some dried flowers on the plant at the end of the season, birds will come eat the seeds. It's like giving them a free snack bar. Now let's talk powdery mildew. Even superheroes have weaknesses, and this plant's enemy is powdery mildew. This looks like someone sprinkled baby powder on the leaves. It usually happens when the plant is crowded or doesn't get enough airflow. So in this clip, you're watching me do some deadheading, inspecting my leaves, and removing those that have any inkling of powdery mildew. To fix it, just give your plant space. Water at the base, not on the leaves, and remove any leaves that look dusty. Echinacea is tough, so it usually bounces back quickly. Now let's talk propagation, which means making more plants. And echinacea gives you two easy ways. Seeds. You can either let the flower dry out, collect the seeds, and plant them, or after a few years, when the plant gets big, you can dig it up and gently split it into 2 or 3 pieces and replant them. It's like turning one plant into a whole family, and it's super low maintenance. It loves full sun at least 6 hours a day. It doesn't need fancy soil. It's drought tolerant, which means it doesn't freak out if you forget to water it. And it attracts butterflies, bees, and even hummingbirds. Basically, it's the kind of plant that says, "Don't worry, I got this." And here's some fun facts. The center of the flower is shaped like a spiky cone. That's why it's called coneflower. Butterflies love it so much that it's like a butterfly magnet. The seeds in the dried flower heads are a favorite snack for goldfinches. And echinacea can live for years, coming back every spring like a loyal garden buddy. So that's Pink Echinacea up close, a strong, colorful, easy to grow plant with tons of personality. If you want a flower that works hard and looks great doing it, this is your new best plant to add to your garden. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. I hope you all are having an amazing day, and I will of course talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.